Hi, hello everyone. In this particular video, we are going to talk about the upload functionality in DVWA. This upload functionality can give you a reverse shell of the web application, and this reverse shell can be helpful for executing a OS level commands. Okay, and this OS level I don't have to explain why they are important, as this system whole your you will be having whole system access over this machine. Okay, so before getting started on it, I would like to know, like, we had done all this testing on to our Windows machine, but now we will requiring a Linux machine for taking a reverse shell. You can do that if you know about you can do this in your Windows also, if you know about like how to get into like the netcat. You have to use the netcat in Windows. So what I'm going to do is, now I'm going to open a browser and type here php reverse shell. We'll get a github link, this one. You have to go on to this particular link. Okay, you have to download this file. Click on it, download. It is downloaded. I already have that file. Okay, now I will rename this file to trustware. Okay, so we are having a trustware product, and that can be helpful for us. Now we'll also go on like we have to get a image. So for example, I like this image. I will open this image, probably somewhere. um, Not getting image. Okay, do one thing, take a screenshot. Okay, it is now getting confused. Go on Google image, take any image. For example, I will take this image. I will save image as, you need either JPEG or PNG files. Go into downloads, or name is as a trustware. Okay, you can name it anything, whatever you want, whatever makes sense to you, and close the browser. We can see here it says like upload functionality, and we are going to talk on the file upload functionality. So till now we had downloaded two of the files. One is a PHP file, and another one is a image file. Okay, these are the two files. By default it required a image file, but I will show you how to upload a PHP file in the image section. Okay, so we can get a reverse shell on our Linux system. It will fit. Yes, it will fit. Yes. So for example, this is our Linux system. Horrible drawing, but you can understand. So while uploading this, we get a reverse shell on this system. So this is how it will be working, and now we are going to start with the process of like first we will try to upload the image. Let's go here, go on downloads, and we will find the trustware, and we are able to upload it. Now it says like it is there in hackable uploads slash trustware, and it says like vulnerable uploads. Let's try to go here and paste it and try to get here trustware dot jpeg. Okay, so we are not getting it. Why not try here like a hackable. So this is how the file is been getting uploaded. So now we'll what do is we'll now click on this, and we'll try to first let me open my terminal and try to edit the file which is there in the downloads folder. You can directly open your text editor and edit that file as a trustware. In downloads I need trustware.php, and here I will change it to my particular. If I type here my config 197, you have to just paste this here, and I will try to take the port 169, not the 69, 169. Okay, and we'll try to before uploading, let me try to open a listener first. Now we are trying to take a reverse shell on this particular system. Go in downloads, trustware, and it says like it has uploaded. Okay, we'll change it to PHP, and we got the shell. I will say who am I, if config, no, if config is not working, ip.a. So it says like its IP is 184 and the server IP is also 184, so we got the access of the server. Brilliant. Just a second guys, just a second. Yeah, so today I'm not well actually. So yeah, it says the IP address of the web server. Now you can see it is still loading up. You can close the request. um, Now we'll do it again in medium level security. Exit this. I just really love this kind of things where we get a shell of the other system. Now we'll try to upload the same file. Let's see, will it get uploaded. We'll change the name now from, or either change my directory to that directory to make it much more convenient. Yeah, trustware.php to trustware1.php. Okay, I have changed it. Now we'll upload it again. Trustware1.php uploaded. It says the image was not uploaded, and that is just because um, it's a PHP file. Now we'll try to do it with dot jpeg, and now we'll try to do it again. It says it is downloaded. After PHP I have inputted just jpeg in medium security. Remember this, guys. Previously I had done this with just image jpeg. Now with uh, sorry, in jpeg it was getting uploaded, my PHP also getting uploaded, so there were no filtrations for image file extension, and it was taking, and in medium security it is having some filtration in the end. So I have added so it is not taking directly PHP, but now I have added dot jpeg in last, and it is getting uploaded. So what I have to do is dot php dot jpeg. I have to start the listener again. Okay, trustware 1, and it is getting going on. I got the shell again. Who am I? IPA, and this is the IP. This is of a medium security. Exit. Now comes the picture of high security. Upload. Now upload functionality, let's check it will work or not. For one, let me change the file type to so here one dot jpeg. Yeah, 2.jpg. Will it take? Yes, it is taking. So we are into high security, it is taking that too. So means going on to starting the reverse shell, and it start. And so this was the attack. So medium and high both are now same, at the same level. Let me show you the IP. Okay, the IP is same, 184.184. Okay, and this application is not been hosted in my particular system, it is into a different Metasploitable 2 system. I can show you, it is here. IPA. Yeah, you can see this is the IP. Okay, so this is how the things are working. So let me tell you, like, you might be getting some errors, and what are the errors I will let you know. Just give me 1 second more. Yeah, I'm back. You might be getting some error regards to the IP address. So in my previous video where I have said you should be in a bridge mode. So if you be in a bridge mode, then this attack won't be going very smooth. Okay, so to learn this attack, just re-attempt it in your particular system in a bridge mode. Also, um, what if I will be also taking a Q&A where I will show you if this technique also didn't work in high level security, then there is one more big technique which take care, and you can use that particular technique also to bypass this upload functionality function. And it's easy, but it takes time to understand that particular thing. Okay, and this was all about the file upload functionality. Thank you for watching this particular video. I hope you understand that how the file upload functionality works, and what are the things which we take care of. And also after this video I will publish a video on netcat working on Windows, so the people who are working in Windows system will get an idea like how to use this particular attack in Windows machine also. So yeah, just be ready guys, you will be getting a video tomorrow itself about file upload functionality, how to use it with netcat in Windows machine. So if somebody is limited to the resource and they don't have the Linux operating system with them, so they are not limited into it, they are just limited to their mindset, and then I will open that limit up. Okay, so see you in the next video. Till that time, bye bye, take care, and please like subscribe this particular video. It motivates me basically. Thank you.